Good evening. Muddiest Points video blog, Technology's Integrity. Technology ethics issues, plagiarism, metadata, security, copyright. I focused on plagiarism and metadata. Whatever happened to honesty and integrity? Plagiarism. Today's students copy, cheat, doesn't matter what the consequence, just get that work in. Metadata, important but also vulnerable in today's technology-rich environment. Very useful to researchers and educators. However, how can educators or researchers ensure the information gathered online is from an authentic source? What would Jesus do? As ambassadors for Christ, we must set the example of how not to abuse this unlimited access to information. Whoever walks in integrity walks securely, but whoever takes crooked paths will be found out. A complete report of my muddiest points are in the reading below. Thank you. Have a great day now.